children, welcome to another session of Science Class 4. Today we will understand lesson 11 and will solve exercise of lesson 11. This lesson will help you to define and understand relationship between force, work and energy, and to describe types of machine and examples of machine in everyday life. To do any kind of work, we have to apply force, and to apply force we need energy. So it shows that work, force and energy are related and dependent on each other. Force is a push or a pull acting on an object. So force is used not only to move an object but also to stop it. And force is used to change the direction and position of an object. Even it can be used to increase or decrease the speed of moving object. In nature, there are two types of forces that are acting all the time, namely gravity and friction. Gravity is the force with which objects are pulled downwards towards the center of the earth. For example, what happens when we throw a ball up into the air? Yes, it first rises up, then seems to stop, and then falls to the ground. But why does it fall down? Why doesn't it keep going upward? So, this is because of the force of gravity. The force that pulls objects downwards towards the center of the earth is called gravity. So, friction is a force exerted when two surfaces are in contact with each other. So, friction acts on all the moving objects, but the direction of the force of friction is always opposite to the direction of movement of the object. Work is used to describe a lot of activities in everyday life. But in science, however, the word work has a very specific meaning. Like work is said to be done only when the force applied on an object causes it to move through a distance and in direction of the force. However, work is also said to be done when the force applied on the object causes a change in the shape or size of the object. When a task is difficult to do with our hands, what do we use? Yes, we use tools which are called machines. And a simple machine is a tool that makes our task or work easier and faster with the use of less force. So, energy is the ability to do work. We need energy to do everything, right from basic activities such as walking, reading, and talking, even to difficult tasks such as lifting, carrying, and climbing. So, energy exists in various forms such as chemical, mechanical, heat, light, electrical, magnetic, and sound. Even we can change energy from one form to another. So let's understand about sources of energy. The energy which is trapped from any system is called a source of energy. So sun is the ultimate source of almost all energy, and earth receive energy from the sun is in the form of heat and light. So let's see some of the main sources from where we get energy. Now let's understand and write. First question, choose the correct option. First, WHAT, what? IS is FORCE, force. So the question is, what is force? Options are option A, ACT, act, OF, off, PUSHING, pushing, or PULLING, pulling. So first option, act of pushing or pulling. Option B, GRAVITY, gravity, and option C, FRICTION, friction, and option D, ALL, OF, off, THESE, these, all of these. So as you know, we use force to stop or start moving any object, or to change its position, or to increase or decrease its speed. So answer is option D, ALL, all, OF, off, THESE, these, all of these. Now next question, WHAT, what? CAUSE, cause. RIPE, ripe. MANGO, mango. TO2, FALL, fall. O and on. THE, the. GROUND, ground. So the question is, what caused a ripe mango to fall on the ground? First option, FRICTION, friction. Option B, GRAVITY, gravity. Option C, ENERGY, energy. OF, off. THE, the. SUN, sun. Option C, energy of the sun. Option D, ENERGY, energy. OF, off. THE, the. EARTH, earth, energy of the earth. So as you know, the force that pulls object downwards towards the center of the earth is called gravity, and leaves and ripe fruits always fall on the ground due to the force of gravity. So answer is option B, gravity. Now next question, WHICH, which. OF, off. THESE, these. FORCES, forces. CAUSE, cause. MOVING, moving. BODY, body. TO2, STOP, stop. So the question is, which of these forces cause a moving body to stop? Options are, first option, FRICTION, friction. Option B, GRAVITY, gravity. Option C, ENERGY, energy. OF, off. THE, the. SUN, sun. So option C, energy of the sun. Option D, ENERGY, energy. OF, THE, the. EARTH, earth. So option D, energy of the earth. So as you know, the force that is present when two objects are in contact with each other and oppose the motion of one object across another, and due to which it stops after moving certain distance. So here the force which causes a moving body to stop is option A, friction. Now next question, IN in WHICH, which OF of THESE, these IS is WORK, work, SAID, said, TO2 HAVE, have, BEEN, been, DONE, done. So the question is, in which of these is work said to have been done? Options are, first option PUSHING, pushing, WALL, wall, pushing a wall. Option B, PUSHING, pushing, LAWN MOWER, lawn mower. So option B is pushing a lawn mower. Option C, READING, reading. Option D, STANDING, standing. So as you know, in science the word work has a very specific meaning, and it is said to be done only when the force applied on an object causes it to move through a distance in the direction of the force. So here option B is right answer. Now next question, WHICH, which OF of THESE, these CAN, can, BE, USED, used, TO2 OPEN, open, THE, the, LID, lid, OF of CAN, can. So the question is, which of these can be used to open the lid of can? Options are, first option LEVER, lever. Option B, PULLEY, pulley. Option C, WHEEL, wheel. AND, and AXLE, axle. Option D, SCREW, screw. So as you know, a lever is a simple machine that is made up of a rod resting at a point around which it turns. Even it is used to lift or move heavy weights. So we can say that lever can be used to open the lid of a can. Now next question, PAIR, pair. OF, of. SCISSORS, scissor. ANNEXAMPLE, example. OF of dash. First option LEVER, lever. Option B, PULLEY, pulley. Option C, WHEEL, wheel. AND, AXLE, axle. And option D, SCREW, screw. So as you know that we use lever to lift or move heavy weights or to cut things. So scissor is also example of lever. So answer is a pair of scissor is example of option A, lever, lever. Now next question, WHICH, which OF of THESE. These IS is NOT, not a FORM form OF of ENERGY, energy. So the question is which of these is not a form of energy? Options are first option CHEMICAL, chemical. Option B MECHANICAL, chemical. Option C ELECTRICAL, electrical. And option D FRICTIONAL, frictional. So as you know, energy exists in various forms such as chemical, mechanical, heat, light, electrical, magnetic and sound. But option D, frictional, is a type of force. So here answer is option D, FRICTIONAL, frictional. Now next, WHICH, which OF of THESE. These IS is THE, the MAIN, main, SOURCES, sources, OF of ENERGY, energy, on, THE, the EARTH, earth. So the question is which of these is the main sources of energy on the earth? First option SUN, sun. Option B WIND, wind. Option C WATER, water. Option D LIGHT, light. So as you know, plant use solar energy to make food with the help of their leaves. Even we need sun. We get heat and light energy from the sun. So we can say that the main source of all energy on the earth is the sun. So answer is option A, sun. Now let's understand and write question 2. Fill in the blanks with the correct words. First, THE, the FORCE, force. THAT, that. PULLS, pulls. OBJECTS, objects. TOWARDS, towards. THE, the. CENTRE, center. OF of THE, the. EARTHE, earth. IS is CALLED, called. Dash, first option FRICTION, friction. GRAVITY, gravity. So the question is the force that pulls objects towards the center of the earth is called dash. Options are friction and gravity. So as you know that the force that pulls object downwards towards the center of the earth is called gravity. Even when you throw a ball up, you throw it with a lots of force, more than the force of gravity, so it rises. But as the ball moves, it loses the force and then gravity pulls it down. Similarly, leaves and ripe fruits always fall on the ground due to the force of gravity. Now next, if THERE, there IS is TOO2MUCH, much, FRICTION, friction, THING, things, WILL, will, dash, first option MOVE, move, second option NOT, not MOVE, move. So the question is, if there is too much friction, things will dash. So as you know, the force that is present when two objects are in contact with each other and oppose the motion of one object across another is called friction. So if there is too much friction, things will not move. So answer is NOT, not MOVE, move. Now next question, ENERGY, energy, IS is THE, the, ABILITY, ability, TO, to, DO, do. So the question is, energy is the ability to do dash. First option WORK, work. Second option FORCE, force. So as you know, energy is the ability to do work. So answer is WORK, work. Even we need energy to do everything, right from basic activities such as walking, reading and talking to difficult tasks such as lifting, carrying and climbing. Now next question, A dash, first option PULLEY, pulley. Second option WHEEL, wheel. AND, and AXLE, axle. So second option is wheel and axle. Then next word IS is ASIMPLE, simple. MACHINE, machine. WITH, with. GROOVED, grooved. WHEEL, wheel. AND, and. ROPE, rob. RUNNING, running. BETWEEN, between. THE, the. GROOVES, grooves. OF, off. THE, the. WHEEL, wheels. So the question is, a dash is a simple machine with the groove wheels and a rope running between the grooves of the wheel. So as you know, when a task is difficult to do with our hand, what do we use? We use tools called machine. And here a pulley is a simple machine that has groove wheel and a rope running between the grooves of the wheel. And it is used to lift heavy object attached to one end of the rope. So answer is PULLEY, pulley. Now next, THE, the. ENERGY, energy. OF, off. MOVING, moving. WATER, water. IS is CALLED called dash. First option SOLAR solar, second option HYDRO hydro, next word ENERGY energy. So the question is, the energy of moving water is called hydro energy. So as you know, moving water also has a lot of energy in it, and this energy is called hydro energy. To use this energy, we built dams, and these dams allowed the water to fall from a height onto a turbine with a great force, and then turbine moves and help to produce electrical energy. Now question 3, give one word for the following. First, THE, the, FORCE, force, THAT, that, OPPOSES, opposites, THE, the, MOTION, motion, OF, off, ONE, one, SURFACE, surface, ACROSS, across, ANOTHER, another. So the question is, the force that opposes the motion of one surface across another. Answer is FRICTION, friction. Now next, ASIMPLE, simple, MACHINE, machine, THAT, that, IS is MADE, made, UP, up, OF, off, ROAD, road, RESTING, resting, at, POINT, point, AROUND, around, WHICH, which, IS is TURNS, turns. So the question is, a simple machine that is made up of a rod resting at a point around which is turns. Answer is LEVER, lever. Now next, SLOPING, sloping, SURFACE, surface, THAT, that, IS is USED, used, TO2, PUSH, push, HEAVY, heavy, OBJECT, object, TO2, CERTAIN, certain, HEIGHT, height. So the question is, a sloping surface that is used to push heavy object to a certain height. Answer INCLINED, inclined, PLANE, plane. So answer is inclined plane. Now next, INCLINED, inclined, PLANE, plane, WRAPPED, wrapped, AROUND, around, CYLINDER, cylinder, THAT, that, HAS, has, SHARP, sharp, P-O-I-N-T-E-D, pointed, E-N-D, end. So the question is, an inclined plane wrapped around a cylinder that has a sharp and pointed end. Answer, S-C-R-A-W, screw. Now next question, T-H-E, the A-B-I-L-I-T-Y, ability, T-O-2, D-O-do, W-O-R-K, work. So the question is the ability to do work. Answer, E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. So today we have learned about force and its type, gravitational force and frictional force. Then we have learned about simple machines and types of simple machines like lever, pulley, wheel and axle and inclined plane. Then we have learned about energy and its sources like sun, water and wind.